In this video, I want to show you how to speed up your computer, make your computer faster. Hi, I'm Mike Locascio, and I help people maintain their computer and repair their computer, doing it all by themselves, step by step, with tips that I give. And I want to give some tips right now about how to make things faster on your computer and have a faster computer. If you're on a slow computer and it got slowed down in time after a while, I want to show you how to speed it up again. And one thing you can do is clear the browser history. If you're on Chrome, Chrome has a browser history, and clear that out in Google Chrome. Once you clear all that out, the browser's going to work better. It's going to be more efficient. And also make sure you do all your Windows updates. Completely do all the updates in Windows 10 or Windows 7 or 8, whatever operating system you're on. This even goes for Vista too. Also change your power option. Inside your computer you have settings. Mostly on laptops, this is more important. It's probably set to balance. Make sure you change it to high performance in your power options. Also, close any programs running in your tray. There's an up arrow over by your clock on the bottom in your taskbar. Click on that, and there's some programs in there. If those programs are running, right click on them and close them out. You don't need to have those things running while you're on your computer. They're just running in the background and using your memory up. Also, when you're on your computer and you're on a website and you got 3 or 4 things going, instead of minimizing the website, just close the sites out and just be on the one that you want to use, and that'll speed things up for you. Also, the importance of backing up your data. If you have a lot of pictures on your computer, important information, videos, Word documents, make sure you back them up and take them off the computer, because that'll help you speed it up. Also, I would say one thing you can do is stop programs from running. Is after you do that, make sure you have a good antivirus that's working, and go to Task Manager, and any programs that are using up a lot of Windows resources, make sure you close them out. You can check in there by right-clicking the taskbar on the bottom and then clicking Task Manager, and you can go there and you can see what's running, what processes are running. You can go down to end process. If you have a lot of different processes running, you can end that. You can also turn Windows features on and off. That's another thing you can do. And stop the programs from running on the startup. And update your operating system drivers and apps. You can do that. That's very important. That'll make things work better with your drivers and your programs. And make sure you clean your cache also, and that'll clean things up and make things faster. You just go to the run box and type in msconfig, and if you're on Windows 7 or Vista, type in Windows config and then click the startup tab and uncheck everything in there and then restart it. On a Windows 10, you don't have that option, but you have the option of going into the Task Manager and doing what I was saying is uncheck end task on any programs using a lot of Windows resources. Make sure you do that, because that's going to really speed things up, because those programs are running, they're using processing power, they're using Windows resources, and you want to close that out. Also type in services.msc in your run box and check every single service that you have running on your computer. Be sure that you know what you're going to turn off, or you're going to turn it from automatic to manual. Go down the list. Take your time now. And if you're not sure what something is, don't uncheck it and don't turn it to manual, because things could stop working. But if you know what programs and services that you can turn off, make sure you turn them off. That'll save you a lot of processing power there. And also go into the control panel to add or remove programs. Windows 10 is called Programs and Features, and find programs that's eating your resources up. If there's programs in there that you don't use, clear them out. Uninstall all the programs that you don't use, clear them out, get rid of them, and that'll speed up your hard drive some. Because most people have a lot of programs on their computer and they don't use it, and some of the programs are really big programs, and you could take them off. You can also set your browser to clean automatically your history. When you close the computer off, it automatically clear your history. So go in there and do that also. That's a really important thing. So what else can we add to it? Every once a year, I would recommend reinstalling Windows, the whole operating system, save everything, and reinstalling it, because it'll run a lot better. If your Windows is slow, reinstalling the operating system once a year. I've been doing that a lot, and it really will speed up your computer. Also, if you need memory and you don't have very much memory in your computer, consider adding memory. You know, you could buy more memory and you could speed it up. A couple more gigs will make a big difference. Also consider getting an SSD hard drive. If you have a regular SATA, SSD hard drives are a lot faster. If you buy an SSD hard drive, your computer's going to run a lot faster than the regular SATA. So these are all good tips, and I hope that you put them to use. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. That way you don't miss anything. If you have any questions related to any kind of computer repairs or any kind of maintenance for your computer, leave it in the comments. And what tips do you have on computer repair? Please give them, put them in the description. That way it may help other people that don't know about those tips. Again, this is Locascio. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.